Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, November 6th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome What are you doing, Rocco?
Yesterday was election day. I'm still into it.
You know what? I don't want to.
Go to the announcements!
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make the school year one for the books. Way back tomorrow morning. News and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!